Let's finish the bottom part up here. So let's create another polygon cylinder. Move that guy down. And let's scale that up. And scale it down in Y. Okay, maybe I might want to scale it down a bit more. Somewhere about here. Let's give it some subdivisions here on the caps. Something like 3 works fine. And then let's give it some subdivisions on the axis. So let's try something like 140. And now let's go in and try to recreate those. If you take a look at the website or other images, see all these little things. It's looking like a gear. Let's try to do that. Okay, what we can do is, let's scale it up a little bit more, and let's try something. So with those faces here, select all of those, the whole face ring, and then let's extrude those. Just a tiny bit, like that. And then again, let's turn off keep faces together, type in 0, and then we scale those in. And we scale those in Y as well, a little bit. And then we create, so select the one edge here, and then control right click, add ring utilities and split, and again set it from relative to multi. And then let's scale those up a little bit closer to the borders, something like that. And now if you smooth that guy, we should have all those nice little gear type of things. But that's not all we need. Let's do one thing more. So go up here, select that edge, forget it, that edge loop here, scale that out. And then we can go in and say we can delete all those faces here on top of that. So let me go to my paint select tool, and then go to face mode. Select all those faces. I hit control right click, grow selection. Okay, so we have the same problem that there are still some edges selected. To get rid of that problem, go to edge mode, select all of those edges, and click somewhere in the free space. Okay, and now let's try that again. Go here to paint selection tool, face mode, select all the faces in the center, control right click, grow selection, and hit delete. Alright, so now we have all the top faces deleted. And let's bring that guy up a little bit more. Somewhere about here. And then let's go to the side view. And let me switch to wireframe, hit 4 on the keyboard. Then go to vertex mode. And select all the top vertices here. And then we scale those out proportionally again. So what we could do is, just scale it out proportionally. So if you have the scale tool, again, hit Control and then scale that in Y. Something like this. Okay. And now let's take the object and let's bring it up a little bit more. Okay. Could scale that up or from the center here a bit more. And then what we need is select that edge loop here, scale that out. And then we select, I use my, first of all, to avoid that edge problem, so select all those edges and select the free space. Then take my paint selection tool, go to face mode, select all the center faces, and then control right click, grow selection. and then I'm gonna extrude that. I'm gonna extrude that in, so I scale that. And then I move that down. Okay, so now let me select the object and hit 3 on the keyboard. It's looking alright, but there has to be another edge loop here. One there. So let's check that out now. Okay. There you go. That's it. So yeah, we get the case done so far. I think it's everything is done here. Hope I didn't miss anything. So let me turn off that one layer here so that you can see it. Let me turn on wireframe unshaded. So now we can go in and start modeling that wristband. And I think I'm going to pause this video to restart a new one to come in here back fresh and free and yeah, to take care about those first pieces of the wristband.